Hi guys, this is my website itpesa.com. So today I will tell you step-by-step guide to get Pioneer prepaid Mastercard. So if you want to get free Pioneer prepaid Mastercard $25 bonus, I will tell you a method to get free bonus and also a credit card which you can use for online shoppings and for online services. So what you have to do first, you need to click on this link. Click here to get free $25 bonus. So you have to click on this link if you want to get $25 bonus, otherwise you will not get $25 bonus if you don't click on this link. So after clicking on that, you will see a screen like that. You have to click on sign up and earn $25. After that, here is a form which you will see. So what you have to do is just enter your first name, last name, email address and date of birth. Remember, type all the information which are correct and which are mentioned on your CNSE national identity card. And after that, click on next, and now you will be on contact detail. Here you have to provide all details related to your information like city, country, and phone type you are using, mobile or landline. And after that, you need to enter some security details for the protection of your account. Now you are almost done. You have to give your government ID card number and agree on all of these three terms. So congratulations, you have applied for prepaid Mastercard registration, and now you have to wait for approval email, and which you will receive within 1-2 days. And after that, you need to just click on activate, and a card will be shipped at your given address, and there will be a code to activate your account, and after activating it you will get $25 bonus. Remember, you will get $25 bonus when your account have $100 balance. So there are a lot of banks in Pakistan which are also used to withdraw money. Here is the list of these banks: Muslim Commercial Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, Citibank and Faisal Bank. I hope this article will help you to create a Pioneer Mastercard. Thank you.